Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, in the hadith of Laqit ibn Sabura, may Allah be pleased with him, he instructed him how to perform wudu. And he told him to exaggerate in rinsing his mouth and nose. But he said, alayhi salatu wasalam, exaggerate in rinsing your nose and mouth unless you are fasting. From this hadith, scholars say that if a person is fasting, he must not exaggerate in sniffing the water up his nostrils. Why? Because the passage from the nostrils goes directly to the stomach. So you may drink water and you may sniff it and it would lead to the same passage to your stomach. And this is why scholars say that if you put nose drops and you find the taste in your throat, this breaks your fasting. But if you put eye drops, ear drops, if you swim, this has no impact on your fasting, even if you find the taste of eardrops or eye drops in your throat, because this is not a normal passage to the stomach. But the nose is. So using nasal drops, if you find the taste in your throat or it leads you to swallow some of it, this nullifies your fasting.